In this video, we'll go over FTX token. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change, from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is FTX token? FTT is the native cryptocurrency token of the crypto derivatives trading platform FTX that launched on May 8, 2019. The team behind FTX comprises some of the largest crypto traders over the past few years who, having found issues with most mainstream crypto futures exchanges, decided to launch their own platform. FTX claims that it stands out due to such features as clawback prevention, a centralized collateral pool, and universal stablecoin settlement. As of 2022, the platform has over 1 million registered members, and the daily trading volume has reached billions of dollars. In regards to clawback prevention, a significant amount of customer funds on other derivative exchanges have been claimed by socialized losses. FTX reduces this by using a 3-tiered liquidation model. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. FTX is backed by Alameda Research, which is known as one of the leading companies in crypto trading and one of the largest liquidity providers. As such, FTX is a product designed by professionals with confirmed expertise in the industry. They cover multiple services, from collateral to maintenance margin to liquidation processes and product listing. FTX also claims to be focused on fast development cycles, allowing them to deploy crypto trading systems at a competitive pace. FTT is an ERC-20 compatible exchange token. The Ledger Nano X/S hardware wallet allows users to securely store and manage the FTT tokens via its Ethereum app. Both the FTT and the leveraged tokens security audits are done by the blockchain Consilium auditing firm. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $95 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.